Do you know you can become a data analyst without having to pay for any training? Yes, you can learn data analytics without having to pay for any training. And no, it is not YouTube. I know your mind will go to YouTube. YouTube is part of it, but today I'm going to share with you a very special way you can learn data analytics without having to pay. And the second step is going to wow you because you'll be surprised to know that this opportunity exists. Before anything, if you know that you need external motivation to get things done, then this method is not going to be for you. If you know you want to be a data analyst and you can do anything to become it, then this video is for you. A way you can start learning analytics without having to pay for any training or classes is getting a scholarship. Yes, getting a scholarship. A lot of organizations give us scholarship for people to learn tech skills. So I'm going to be telling you guys the different scholarships that are available and how you can apply for them. Okay, so you would like to stay to the end of this video, especially to the second organization. You'll be very shocked that this organization offers scholarships. This information is everywhere, but not everywhere. So the first organization that gave us scholarship is called Take for Dave. But before you even go into the scholarship, you need to understand the things you need to learn. Because if you're going to be learning analytics, you need to have a curriculum. You need to have a curriculum that has the tools you need to learn and everything you need to learn in the tools. So I do give her my curriculum for just a token, and I'm going to be putting my community link in the description below, so you can click on it, chat me up, and I'm willing to give you my curriculum for a token. Okay, so you need to have a curriculum to know what you should learn before you even go ahead applying for the scholarships. So the first scholarship you should apply for is Take for Dave. So if you're a woman watching this video, this scholarship is for you. So unfortunately, Take for Dave give a scholarship for only women, but guys, don't worry. The next scholarship I'm going to talk about is male and female, so you don't need to worry, guys. So Take for Dave is a scholarship for women. They give out scholarship for women. Okay, so this scholarship you don't have to pay for anything, right? You're just going to be asked questions like, why do you want this scholarship? How can this scholarship help you? And if you're okay with your response, they'll give you the scholarship. This scholarship only runs for 2 tools, that's Excel and Power BI. So you're only going to be taught Excel and Power BI, and guys, is a good way to start, right? It's a good way to start Excel and Power BI. All right, so that's for Take for Dave. So go on Instagram, search for Take for Dave. Go on Twitter, LinkedIn, search for Take for Dave. Them know when next the scholarship is running so that you can apply for it. All right, so the second organization that give us scholarship is called All School Africa. I know you'll be surprised that All School Africa give us scholarship, but yes, they do. All School Africa is a diploma course for any tech skill you want to learn, but we're going to be narrowing that to data analytics. So they have 1 year diploma course, narrowing that to data analytics. So they have 1 year diploma course, and the price is 360,000 naira, right? That's for those in Nigeria. Okay, so but people give us scholarship through All School Africa. Like a person can decide to give scholarship to people to learn tech skill in All School Africa. One is currently running. I'm going to be putting the link to that scholarship in the comment section. So run to the comment section and apply for it. Maybe you're done watching this video. You won't want to stop now because there are other things you need to learn before you apply for your scholarship. All School Africa give us scholarship, so people can give scholarship to others through All School Africa to learn a tech skill, okay? So they give us scholarship, but the condition for this scholarship is that you have to write an exam, and you have to pay the exam. You have to pay 20,000 naira to write the exam, okay? When you the cutoff mark for the scholarship is 85%. If when you get 85% in your result, you'll be given the scholarship. So this scholarship is full and partial scholarship. So 85% is the cutoff mark for the scholarship. So if you get 85%, automatically you have partial scholarship. That's half scholarship. You have to pay half of the tuition fee and they'll pay half for you. But when you get a high score, right? Let me say 100% or 99%, you are going to be given full scholarship. So guys, don't need to be scared. These exams are not so difficult. They are not difficult at all. So you don't need to be like, oh no, exam, no, I don't want. No, just go ahead. If you're really passionate about learning this skill, go ahead, pay for the exam, 20,000 naira, write the exam, aim for 100%, and then get the full scholarship. Immediately get 100%, you'll be sure of getting full scholarship, or even 99% or 98%. Be sure of getting full scholarship. And remember, the exams are not difficult. You don't need to be scared. They are not difficult. I've gone through the scholarship before and I wrote the exams, and they are not difficult, trust me, at all. Just make sure that when the exam comes, make sure you don't write the exam that day, because they give like 1 week to write the exam. Okay, and this exam is for everyone, even with those that are applying for scholarship and those that don't apply for scholarship. It's for everyone applying to OSCO Africa. Okay, so my only advice to you is that don't write the exam that day. Write the exam the third day. By the time you write the exam the third day, other people are done writing and they are giving you ideas of how the exam is to give you an edge. Okay, so just relax and write the exam all day of the exam week. And they also give out study kits. So they don't just give you exam randomly, they give you study kits, so you study those things, and that's where the exams will come from. So you'll be given a study kit to study for the exam, so you don't even need to be scared. Aim for 100%. 100% is not difficult. That's what I'm saying. 100%. Aim for it so you can get your full scholarship. But if that's not possible, you can get half scholarship. Okay, that's 360k. Imagine they're paying half of it for you. That's something. Okay, or you can get full scholarship, everything is cleared up for you for 1 year. That's a whole lot. So that is it. I hope you're enjoying this video. Let me know what you think about this scholarship in the comment section. If you have a question, let me know in the comment section. Please give a thumbs up to this video. It really helps this channel a lot. Thank you so much. So let's be moving to the third scholarship that you can apply for to learn data analytics. So another organization that gives us scholarship are Ingressive for Good. So Ingressive for Good is a popular organization in Nigeria or Africa that gives us scholarship for tech skills. So remember, all the scholarship are not just for data analytics, they're for any tech skill of your choice. Okay, so just go on Instagram, follow them, know when they're giving us scholarship so you can apply for them. I think it's only OSCO Africa that has to do with writing an exam. Other ones, they just have to ask you some questions, and if you're okay with your question, they take you. So Ingressive for Good. Then another scholarship you can apply for is She Code Africa. So She Code Africa give out scholarships using Coursera data camp. So She Code Africa gives a scholarship through Coursera and data camp. So if you get their scholarship, they're going to give you free access to Coursera and free access to data camp, right? Data camp is a very good application to learn analytics from, even though it's so expensive, right? But you'll be given access to it for free to learn data analytics. And also Coursera. Coursera is Google Data Analytics course, and you'll be given access to it to learn data analytics. Okay, they also tell you the YouTube channels you can also learn data analytics from. But I do advise people, don't just depend on YouTube channel. I even prefer this scholarship to YouTube channel, because when you get on this scholarship, people are training, someone is training you, someone is teaching you, you are being given assignments, and if you have questions, you can always ask. You already have a mentor. Do you get? But YouTube channel, nobody's mentoring you. You can't even ask questions directly to the person you're watching his or her videos, and that's why we don't advise people to just learn data analytics using YouTube alone. But I'll just give you YouTube channels too that you can use and learn data analytics. So let's go. We'll start with Alex the Analyst. Alex the Analyst is good for data analytics. All round tools. But it's just like Alex the Analyst is not so. It doesn't go in depth to these skills. He doesn't go in depth. He just teaches for beginners. But that's a good way to start. Alex the Analyst. Okay. For Power BI, you go to Guy in the Cube. Guy in the Cube is a YouTube channel for Power BI. If you want to learn Power BI from beginner to advanced, go to Guy in the Cube YouTube channel. Then StatsQuest. StatsQuest is a YouTube channel for statistics. So if you want to learn statistics for data analysis, go to StatsQuest YouTube channel. For Excel, go to Excel is Fun. I'm going to put in the name of these channels on the screen so that I can be sure of the spelling. Excel is fun, so go to Excel is fun channel to learn Excel. And then for Python, go to Brocode. Brocode is a channel for Python. You can use and learn Python for data analytics. So guys, I hope this video was very useful and helpful to you. Like, subscribe, and share to your friends. I hope you enjoy watching this video. See you next time in my video. Bye.